So hello YouTube, today I got my new phone. It's Galaxy A52 in 25,000 range. I got it for 25,000. Okay. So let's unbox it. This is directly purchased from Samsung. You can see here. Direct from Samsung website for 25k. If you know the price locally is even cheaper than this one, please let me know so that other buyers will be able to choose whether to buy from directly from samsung.com or offline market. So this is packaging from Samsung, nothing else inside. Basically I wanted make in India product only, and I don't like that Micromax and all that shit. That is rebranded Chinese stuff only. That's why I went for Samsung, as it is good brand, and especially A series is kind of premium series. My previous phone was LG G7. It has even better specification than this one, but I was in mood of upgrade. That's why I upgraded. So here is the phone. It's black color. MRP is 31,000. Sorry, 32,000 it is. 31,999. It's seal pack, you can see. It's 8 GB RAM variant, okay guys, not the 6 GB RAM variant. Let me show you. 8 GB RAM, 128 GB. I'm trying to find where is the make. I want to see that make in India. Yeah, made in India. Here it is. Feels good, isn't it? So let's open this up. Here is the branding. Do not accept his seal is broken. Indian SIM card only. Okay, that's all. Wow, beautiful piece. Manufactured in India. It is very slim. Okay. Let me keep phone aside. So here we got charger. This is also made in India. I'm not able to find the wattage. I think this is a 10 watt charger, not the fast charger. It says adaptive fast charging, but it is 10 watt. I saw specs online. Even if you calculate, no, it is 15 watt charger. Sorry, my bad. It is 15 watt charger. There is some formula to calculate. They are not written it clearly. You can check it online, and this is the cable they have provided. USB type C. I wish it would be like the M31 or M series. They give both side type C. This is not that kind of cable. This is the traditional type C cable, which is not much impressive. Anyway, doesn't matter. Now let's wrap out the phone. So here is the beautiful piece. I love the camera model, but it is, you can see it's protruding outside. I don't like this one. If you keep phone like this, it will always give some scratches over here. So forcefully I have to buy the back cover for this phone, even though I'm not in mood to buy one. This is how phone looks from all side. It's plastic only. I thought this could have been aluminum, but this plastic is not the cheaper one like we see on M series. This looks very premium. And let me show you if fingerprints are, no, it doesn't attract fingerprints like M series. M series is super cheap phone, and coming from flagship phone, I was not willing to have a downgrade actually. So this is way better than M series. M series are budget oriented phones. They are not designed for the premium buyers. Those are designed for the mass buyers. So that's all. Now let me quickly set up this phone. I've seen some videos so that they are available on YouTube, and by which you can reduce or avoid ads from this phone. I don't understand why Samsung is showing ads in A series. A series is meant for good buyers or premium buyers. They should not show ads in A series. So this is how screen looks for the first start. Unfortunately, we don't have English India, so we need to go with this one only. Remember, these are optional, so don't agree. Don't tick on this. I have read and agree all. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi network. Just a minute. This phone is manufactured in last month, so I don't think there will be any update. Here they don't have the manufacturing date, but I saw on the box. Yeah, you can see over here. Manufacturing is July 2021. It's freshly manufactured, so I don't think there will be any update. I'm purposefully showing this with unboxing so that anyone who buys this phone should get the thorough idea of how this phone looks and how to set up this phone. That's why. This is very lightweight, handy phone. I can use it by single hand. And I especially like such practical phones. There is no sense in buying huge display phones. It's phone, not a tablet. Copy, I will say don't copy as of now. Let me log in with my account. Oh, so see, I have two-step login process. Please bear with me, guys.